Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So everybody can chant Hare Krishna mantra one time. So Piyush is in first in my screen. Piyush, can you chant, beta?
Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Hare.
Thank you, beta. Then Alekhya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Jai. And Nitya in Sanskriti.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare.
Yes, Avya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Thank you, beta. Hitashi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, अच्छे से क्लास.
Jai, thank you. Vanshika.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. And Mishka and Pariti.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes, thank you, Mishka. Mishka, आप वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए. And Pariti.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Pariti. Avyukta. Yes. Try to unmute. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Okay. Medha and Geet. Hare Krishna, Medha.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, please can you chant Hare Krishna mantra one time, beta?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare.
Thank you. And Geet is it?
Prabhuji, Geeta is yet to join.
Okay. Take it. And Avyukta, are you able to unmute now? Yes. Try to unmute, beta. Yes.
Hare Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, beta. Okay. So previous session we had
Hare
discussed.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, Harshi is still left to do the Maha Mantra.
Oh yes, we is Harshi. Yes, Harshi, beta.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. And sorry, Harshi, I forgot you. How can I forget you? Please forgive. Thank you. So let's start. Before starting, let's have a quick recap of previous session. So all of you can tell any point you remember previous session, any story we have shared from previous session. Yes. Okay. So let me. Who all want to speak? Please raise your hand. Yes.
Prabhuji, हमने कर्मा के बारे में किया था.
Oh, thank you, Bebda. So okay. So Sanskriti wanted to speak. Then who want to speak? Vanshika want to speak, and I had shared one story also. Alekhya. So let's take in this way: Sanskriti, Vanshika, and Alekhya. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Actually, I sometimes get confused. Sanskrit and Nitya. Whoever raised hand, you speak. Yes. जिसने हाथ उठाया था वो बोलिए.
प्रभु जी
Yes.
हमको बोला था कि शेष नृत्य करना चाहिए.
Okay. Yes, Nitya बेटा आप बोलिए. Nitya is younger ना?
बोल रहे थे आपने लास्ट सेक्शन में ये भी बताया था कि जो हम लोग को बुरे लोगों को अच्छा चीज मिलता है, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि उन लोगों ने अपने पिछले जन्म में कुछ अच्छा काम किया और अच्छे लोगों को अच्छा चीज नहीं मिलता होगा जो उन लोग ने अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि उन लोग ने कुछ अपने पहले वाले जन्म में कुछ गंदा किया होगा.
हो सकता है. ठीक है. थैंक यू. इसमें हमको एक चीज ध्यान रखना है कि अक्सर कभी कोई दुख में है तो हमको ये नहीं बोल देना चाहिए जी आपने पहले कुछ खराब किया था, बिकॉज दे विल गेट हर्ट. ठीक है. तो ये कर्मा है ना, समटाइम पीपल बिकम हार्ड हार्टेड. तो इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है. इसको हमको जनरली ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि अगर किसी के साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, देखिए वो बुरा भी है तो उसने प्रीवियसली अच्छा किया होगा, इतना तक बोलना ठीक है. समटाइम पीपल गेट हर्ट, बट रियलिटी इज दिस. रियलिटी यही है कि लॉ ऑफ कर्मा एक्ट्स. ठीक है. थैंक यू बेटा. यस, एंड देन वी हैव वंशिका एंड देन अलिख्या. यस वंशिका.
प्रभु जी, यू शेयर्ड अ स्टोरी कि पहले एक भाई बहन और उसकी बीवी रहती थी. तो जो बहन थी वो विडो थी. तो एक बार इवनिंग के टाइम, और वो लोग बहुत गरीब थे, तो एक दिन इवनिंग के टाइम एक कोई बहुत रिच आदमी आया और कहा कि मैं आपके घर पे रुक सकता हूँ. तो सबने हाँ कर दिया. और फिर जब वो रात को सो रहा था तो उसकी बहन अपने भाई के पास जाती है और बोलती है कि चलो हम लोग इसको मार देते हैं, इसके पास जो भी पैसा हम लोग वो ले लेंगे. तो भाई मना कर देता है. तो फिर वो अपनी भाई की बीवी के पास जाता है और बोलती है कि चलो अपन लोग करेंगे. तो बीवी मान जाती है और फिर भाई को भी करना पड़ता है. तो वो लोग उसको मार के उसका सारा पैसा ले लेते हैं. उसके बाद वो लोग बहुत अमीर हो जाते हैं. उन्होंने एक अच्छा सा घर वर ले लिया था. उसके बाद उन लोग को एक बच्चा होता है. नहीं, पहले वो उसकी बहन मर जाती है, उसके बाद एक बच्चा होता है उन लोग को. फिर वो अच्छे से रहते हैं. फिर बड़े होकर उसकी शादी हो जाती है. तो उसको बहुत सारी बीमारियां होने लगती हैं और जो भी पैसा रहता है वो सब कुछ बेच देता है. और उसकी कोई बीमारी ठीक ही नहीं हो रही थी, इतना इलाज कराया. तो क्या कहते हैं, तो वो क्या बोलते, उनका घर बार सब बिक गया पर उसको ठीक नहीं हो पाया. आखिर में जब वो लोग अपने वही पुराने टाइप के घर में आ गए तो क्या कहते हैं, वो उसके बेटे ने बोला कि हमको एक एप्पल खाना है. तो वो जो उसके जेब में 10 रुपए थे तो उसने वो एक एप्पल खरीद के लाया. और उसके बाद उसने कुछ बोला था और वो मर गया, मुझे वो याद नहीं. उसके बाद उसकी बीवी भी मर जाती है. और फिर वो लोग एक वो संत के पास जाते हैं और पूछते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ, और पूरी स्टोरी सुनाई. तो वो जो कहते हैं संत, वो बोलते हैं कि जो आपका बेटा था वो पिछले जन्म का वो जिसको आपने मारा था वो बन के आया था. तो उसने आपका सारा पैसा ले लिया. तो फिर वो पूछता है, उसका भाई पूछता है कि तो उस लड़की की क्या गलती थी. तो उसने कहा कि वो तुम्हारी बहनी है पिछले जन्म की, अब वो पहले भी विडो थी, अभी भी विडो हो गई है.
Thank you, Vanshika. You covered all the points in the story. What was the lesson from this story?
It was कर्मा की मतलब कर्मा को हम लोग बदल नहीं सकते हैं.
Yeah, and karma is very complex to understand. It's very difficult, and how reaction will come of which karma, it's very difficult to understand. Yeah, thank you, Vanshika. Yes, Alikhya, and then Hitashi. आप यही पॉइंट बोलने वाले थे. ठीक है बेटा. हिताशी,
वो जब वंशिका ने बोला कि वो उसका मॉरल स्टोरी वो कर्मा है, मेरे को भी पता है। एक और पॉइंट जो है उससे खुश रहो।
अच्छा, कि जो है आपके पास उसके साथ खुश रहना चाहिए। वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू बेटा। यस हर्षी, यू वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग? ओके, ठीक है। सो जो है हमारे पास उसके लिए खुश रहना चाहिए। कर्मा इज वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड। यस, these were the lessons, and one lesson which is the first Nitya has spoken, that in the life, the first lesson, yeah, when why the good things happen to bad people, why the good things happen to bad people, because they must have done something good in their past. And one more lesson was there in the last, how an intelligent person should learn. Yes, that I've, yes Alika, you can speak. Yes Alika. By hearing. Yes, by hearing he can learn. He do not need to experience. And the example I have given there, what was the example? What was the example I have given? Yes, Vanshika.
Prabhuji has given the example that
Poison.
पॉइजन को टेस्ट करके नहीं पता चलता कि वो हमारे लिए बुरा है कि नहीं.
We can understand by seeing the label only. So by label we can learn it's not good for us. And similarly, this all the intoxication we can understand. All the cigarette packets are written that cigarette is injurious to the health. So we can learn by seeing that label, by to smoke and understand. Yes, that was a lesson. Thank you. So today we will have one more interesting session, and that is upon that is about how we should tolerate. After understanding the law of karma, when something happened bad to us, what should we do? So let's take this lesson from Ramayana. So you know actually my kids want to hear something about Ramayana, so I'm forced to speak Ramayana. So this is a story from Ramayana, very interesting story and very good lesson from there. So you all of you know that Dashratha had 3 queens. So who can tell the 3 queens name of Dashrath? Yes, Hitashi. Okay.
One is Kekai,
Yes.
second is Kaushalya,
One is Kaushalya, yes.
and the third one is Sumitra.
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 Yes, very nice, Buddha. So yes, thank you. And Kekai was very dear to Dashrath, and she was the youngest queen. She was very dear to Dashrath. And when there was a news that Lord Ram will be coronated, that he will be the king, next king, when Dashratha felt that Ram is ready to accept the responsibility of kingdom, then he decided that I'll make a Ram as a king. At that time, Bharat was not there. Bharat went to his maternal family, his Nana Nani over there. And Shatrughan was also there, went with the Bharata. And here Ram and Lakshman was there. And by that time, Ram was already married to Mother Sita. And in the palace, there was one lady. She was not happy. Everybody was happy. All the citizens were happy. And there was... Yes, boliye beta.
Can you please repeat?
Okay, I'll repeat beta. So when the Dashratha decided that I'll make Lord Ram as a king, and that hearing this news, everybody was happy. All the kingdom, all the citizen, everybody was happy. All the queens were happy. Even the Kekai was happy because she used to love Ram more than her own son. But there was one lady who was not happy. You know who was that? Everybody was happy except one. Yes, who was not happy? Okay, let me hear. At least you switch on your video so I can see. Mishka, you can tell who was not happy. Because if you will not, yes, who? Everybody was happy.
Mantra.
Yes, Sumantra. Thank you. Okay. See, this is a young man, so excited to speak. Yes, thank you. So obvious said this Sumantra. Then Sumantra was not happy. Since sorry, Mantra was not happy. Then Mantra went to Kekai and she started crying. She started crying in front of Kekai. Then Kekai said, "What happened? Why are you crying?" Then she said, "I am ruined. I have lost everything. Why? What happened? You know, the Ram is going to become a king. You know, and this is a conspiracy. They want to make Ram king when Bharata is not there. And when Ram
ruined का मतलब क्या होता है?
ruined का मतलब होता है बर्बाद. मतलब मेरा सब कुछ चला गया.
Okay.
ठीक है, मेरा सब कुछ चला गया, मैं बर्बाद हो गई, ऐसे करके वो रोने लगती है. She started crying in front of Kekai. And Kekai said, "Arey, this is a good news. Ram is going to become king. You take this necklace." She gives very beautiful necklace to Mantra. And Mantra takes that necklace and throw it away. And she said, "You are a foolish lady. You do not know what will happen now. You know, when the Ram will become the king, her mother, Kaushalya, will become Rajmata and you will become a servant. Now you are most dear to Dashrath, but once Ram will become king, you will become a servant. You will become a dasi. You do not know. This is a conspiracy. They have done this especially when Bharat is not there, so that Bharat will not oppose." Then Mantra thought that something is working. Kekai is started understand my plan. Then Kekai said, "Oh, maybe yes, you are right. You are my true well-wisher. My husband is not my well-wisher. My son is not well-wisher. You are my well-wisher. And so what should I do?" Then Mantra said, you remember? You have taken a boon from Dashratha. Dashratha made a promise that he will give you 2 boons. So this is the time you should ask those boons. Okay, what should I ask? This is how Kekai asked. The Mantra said, you should ask that Bharat should be the king and Lord Ram should go to exile for 14 years. So here's one very important lesson, that you can say in our life there's no mantra. In our life there's no mantra. Why should we worry? And in our family there's no such person who speaks such a way, such envious way. So I'll say everybody have mantra in their family. You know who's that mantra? Our mind. Our mind is mantra, and mind proposes, "Oh, you know, you want this, and this is injustice, this is wrong, they are doing this wrong, they are doing that wrong, and I'll be ruined, everything will be lost, people are cheating with me." This is all mind speak. So as Kekai was hearing to mantra and Kekai was trying to follow mantra, we should not try to follow our mind. Uncontrolled mind is our enemy, but the controlled mind is our best friend. If our mind is uncontrolled, he will take us to movie hall. He will take the person to bad company. But when mind is controlled, he will take us to temple. He will take us to good association. So we need to have a controlled mind. We should not hear the mantra like mind. So this is one lesson, we can note it. And then the next word. Then Lord Rama. Then do you know what Lord Rama did? Lord Rama didn't oppose that. He didn't say, "This is injustice. How can you send me to exile? What is wrong I have done? I am the elder son. I am supposed to become king. Why this thing happening?" So Lord Ram. Lord Ram. Piyush, can you mute beta? Piyush, can you mute? Piyush, can you mute beta? Okay, so Lord Ram didn't say, Lord Ram didn't oppose. And when Lord Ram heard that my father want me to go or my mother want me to go to exile, he was very happy to go. He immediately get ready to go to exile. And he gave up the kingdom. So let me ask you one question. So in your life, sometime it happened that you are not at mistake, but you get chastisement. Like sometime Nitya in Sanskriti, and the younger sister does something wrong, but elder sister get chastisement. Sometime Geet does something wrong, but Medha get chastisement. Does it happen?
Prabhuji, I have one question.
Yes.
Prabhuji, why only younger sister or brothers is wrong? Can't elder brother or sister can be wrong?
Yes, I'll tell you, beta. So why younger can only be wrong? Why elder cannot be wrong? Yes, both can be wrong, beta. Both can be wrong. But many times
But in this condition, I am only wrong.
in this condition you are only younger, and sometime it is seen younger commit mistake, but elder get a chastisement. This happened. I remember many time it. I'll share one story in this from the Srimad Bhagavatam. There was one king. His name was Prithu Maharaj, and he was very powerful king, and he was performing the sacrifice, big sacrifice he was performing. So he had performed 99 sacrifices, and he was about to perform 100th sacrifice. And when the 100th sacrifice will be completed, he will be qualified to become king, to be the king of heaven. And when this news came to Indra, Indra became very insecure. He thought that if Prithu will become the king of heaven, what I will do? I will lose my heaven. So he came and he stole the horse of that sacrifice. And Prithu understood that this is what Indra is doing, and this happened one time, two time, third time. Then Brahmaji came, and Brahmaji asked to Prithu Maharaj, you kindly stop doing sacrifice. It's okay, no need to do sacrifice. So you tell me, what was the mistake of Prithu? Why Brahmaji asked Prithu to not to do sacrifice? Because what was the reason? Is there any mistake of Prithu Maharaj? So Nitya in Sanskriti, what was the mistake of Prithu? Is there any mistake?
प्रभु जी, क्योंकि उसका काम तो वो अपने लिए कर रहा था, उसका अच्छा हुआ, पर वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो किंग बने हेवन का, तो उसके वजह से ये सब कुछ हुआ.
Can you repeat, बेटा?
प्रभु जी, हम बोल रहे हैं कि उसको किंग बनना था, तो फिर उसने 99 सैक्रिफाइसेस कर लिया. उसको फिर वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो किंग बने, तो फिर उसने उसका सारा सैक्रिफाइसेस ले लिया. तो फिर वो जो 99 सैक्रिफाइसेस कर चुका था, तो उसके वजह से सब कुछ हुआ. तो इसीलिए उन्हें मना कर दिया.
Okay, let me repeat my question one more time. I think I could not make my question clear. That's why. So, the Prithu Maharaj had performed 99 sacrifices. Okay. And he was about to perform 100th sacrifice, yajna. Okay, that's clear. At that time, Indra became insecure and he came and trying to disturb the 100th yajna. At that time, Brahma came and asked Prithu not to do the 100th sacrifice. Why? What was the mistake of Prithu Maharaj? This is my question. Is it clear now?
Can I say?
Yes, tell me.
प्रभु जी, I think because वो उसके उस मतलब स्टेज के लिए मतलब बनने के लिए काबिल नहीं था, योग्य नहीं था.
Okay, this is a And this is what we say guess, है ना? So this is okay. Any other answer? Prithu Maharaj was qualified and he was doing what was. How can you say he was not qualified? And if he would have done, he was really well qualified. So let me give you the answer. Prithu Maharaj was well qualified and he was like an incarnation of Lord's Palan Shakti, taking care of Shakti. But when Brahma saw that Indra is insecure and he is insecure, he is not mature enough to understand. But Prithu Maharaj is mature enough to understand. So Brahmaji asked Prithu not to do 100th yajna. So because Prithu Maharaj was mature enough, he was qualified to understand, and he happily gave up. But if he would have asked Indra, "Oh, why you are troubling?" then he would not have agreed. So sometimes elders get a chastisement because father and mother understand, he can give up. The younger child may become very, what we say, very jiddi, stubborn. They may not give up, but elders will give up. So sometimes elders get the chastisement because it's not they are wrong, because they are mature enough to understand. Does that make sense? Nitya and Sanskrit, does that make sense to you?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, thank you. So in your life, it may have happened when you would have got chastisement when you are not have done wrong. ऐसा हुआ क्या आपके साथ? आपने गलती नहीं करा लेकिन डांट पड़ा?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Every day. So let me hear some incidents when you got chastisement, when you got the scolding, but you have not done anything wrong, then what you have done after it? Okay. So my question is,
Prabhuji, I can say.
no, let others also speak, beta. So let me ask Piyush, beta. Piyush, can you tell some incident when you would have got the chastisement, and even you would not have done anything wrong? Or you think? Meanwhile, let me hear from who want to speak. All of you are very nice kids. Your parents do not chastise. Okay, so let's hear from Vishaka. No, let's hear Vishaka. Vishaka joined late.
Prabhuji,
Yeah.
Prabhuji, it happened with me. I have an elder brother. He's 10 years older than me.
Okay.
Like sometimes, my mother, if there's if any of the house things are have been ruined, means have been bad because of us. It means it's been broken. So she'll only see that I have broken it. She'll not just think that he has broken it.
Okay. And what was your response at that time?
I told that I didn't do that, and I didn't also tell his name because I didn't also know that he did that or not. But I just told that I did not do that, and I went.
Okay, you was not angry that why you got the chastisement when you not have done?
A little bit.
Okay, little bit. Thank you, Vishaka. So let's hear from Piyush. Are you able to think? Piyush, beta, are you there? Okay, so Vanshika, आप बोल सकते हैं.
प्रभु जी, मेरा एक कजिन ब्रदर है, मतलब हम लोग साथ में रहते हैं. तो एक बार क्या हुआ था कि उसने मुझे एक बार ऐसे ही मारा था, तो मतलब मस्ती में मारा, तो मुझे बहुत तेज लग गई थी ना. तो मैं मम्मी से शिकायत करने जा रही थी कि वो ऐसे एक्टिंग करने लगा कि मैंने उसको मारा है. तो मेरी मम्मी बात सुनी नहीं, मुझे डांट दी.
And what was your response?
मेरी मम्मा पर बाद में मैं अपनी मम्मी से थोड़ी लड़ाई की थी
Okay.
कि आपने मेरी बात सुनी नहीं.
Thank you, Vanshika. So, okay, yes. And yes, anybody, Hitashi and Harshi, you have some incidents when you got.
No, I don't know how.
Okay, I heard you went to some birthday party and something was wrong, and you would have got you got the chastisement. I heard this sometime. Anyway, okay, ठीक. So this happened many times. This happened. So even we have not done wrong, but we would have got the chastisement because there is some maybe some misunderstanding, but we can take it as it is because of my past karma. There are so many times when I didn't get the chastisement, even I have done the mistake. Okay, so in past karma, because of past karma, I am getting this result. This is because of my past karma. We can take it in this way. How? Because of my past karma, I have got it. And like, uh, uh, actually, sometimes we see some kids fight, and one kid hits to other kid, and they want to hit it back. This happened sometime. Abhyukta, it happened to with you sometime. You while playing, you had a fight with some kid.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Then sometime you would have got a beating, sometime you would have beaten. Is that happened?
Yes.
Can you share some incident what had happened? Then we will try to analyze some lesson from there. If you, it's okay.
Prabhuji, I can say.
हाँ, I was yes. Let Abhyukta, if Abhyukta भैया says, then it's fine. Otherwise, you can say. ठीक है, Abhyukta? Without sharing anybody's
Prabhuji,
name.
I have to recoil it. I have to remember an incident. Prabhuji, I'm
Okay.
actually not
ठीक है, you think?
able to
Okay.
remember.
Like, let Nitya and Sanskriti, then Vishakha.
प्रभु जी, I am Nitya.
Okay.
प्रभु जी, ये कल ही हुआ था कि मम्मी ने बोला था पढ़ाई करने के लिए. दीदी फिर पढ़ाई करी थोड़ा सा 5-10 मिनट, फिर दीदी फोन लेकर बैठ गई. फिर जैसे ही मम्मी आने वाली थी वैसे ही दीदी फोन छोड़ दी. मेरा कुछ आया था काम, तो फिर हमको देखने लगे. फिर दीदी की वजह से हमको डांट खाना पड़ा. इतनी देर से दीदी लेकर थी. हर रोज होता है.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Vishakha. Yes, tell
प्रभु
me.
जी, can I say now?
Let others also speak now because your younger sister's complaint we had. Yes, elder sister. Yes, you also tell beta. Yes.
अब प्रभु जी, अब मेरा और वंशिका का बारी है. क्या हुआ था, हम लोग बहुत छोटे थे.
हाँ.
हम लोग नानी घर में मिले थे फर्स्ट टाइम. तो क्या हुआ था, ये हम से 6 months बड़े हैं. तो क्या हुआ था कि ये ना हमको दीदी नहीं बुलाती थी, ये हमको नाम से बुलाती थी. तो हम बहुत इससे झगड़ा किए थे कि तो हमको दीदी बुलाओ प्लीज, दीदी बुलाओ. एक बार बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया था. हम किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे थे. हम लोग बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया था. लाइक एकदम जब हम लोग पूरा हम लोग ना बच्चा पार्टी रहता है ना नानी घर, हम लोग का जॉइंट फैमिली है. तो बच्चा पार्टी पूरा मस्ती करता है. अगर कुछ भी झगड़ा हो पूरा घर में शांति. तो मम्मी लोग सब आकर बोलती क्या हुआ तुम लोग का, कुछ हुआ है क्या. तो वैसे ही हुआ हम लोग का. तो बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ. ये हमको आज तक दीदी बुलाती नहीं, आज तक नहीं बुलाती. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमको दीदी नहीं बुलाती, क्योंकि अब हम दीदी नाम से बहुत इरिटेट होता है.
तो नित्य यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट.
दीदी ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. 6 महीने में कुछ नहीं होता. फिर ऐसे तो परी भी, हम भी तो परी से बड़े हैं.
ठीक है. So let me come to the lesson.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Okay, ठीक है. Let me come to the lesson. Yes, Vishaka, you also speak better. Yes, you want.
Prabhuji, it was yesterday. No, day before yesterday night. I came from my classes. Then I was around 10, 15. I completed my homework, and then I had some. मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रही थी. So
Yes.
I slept. मैंने मम्मी को बोला I'm sleeping, and at 12, my brother came. He just sat on me, did whatever, and he waked me up at 12.
Okay.
He was like एक तरफ से यहाँ से बोल रहा है, then उस तरफ से मम्मी बोल रही है अभी तुम उसको क्यों उठाया, वो सो रही थी. So it was like I am here, he is hitting me and I am hitting him back. So
Okay.
after that we called my father. After that also he didn't leave it. At last when he was gone, we shut the door and that's done.
Okay, thank you. So this happened in everybody's life, and we get a chastisement even we have not done anything wrong, and we want to take it. We want to hit a person back. Why? Like if you see, the small kid, when you can understand when very kid is very small, and while playing, if he falls down, he started crying, and mother comes and hits the earth and say, okay, I am beating the earth, who hit my son, I'll beat, and the kid started laughing. Oh, my mother had gave a good beating to earth. Then he is happy. Have you noticed this thing? Small kid, when he falls down and started crying, and mother comes, okay, I gave a beating to earth, and why he hit my son, and her son started laughing. It happened. Have you seen this thing? No. Okay, I'll say when the kid is very small and he is playing, and while playing, if he falls down and he start crying, then how mother makes him quiet? He comes and pretend that she is hitting on the ground, and when she says, okay, I gave a strong good beating to earth, now my son will happy. Have you seen this thing? Anybody notice this thing? Nobody has noticed. Nitya Sanskrit, you okay? You have not seen a small kid. Okay. Yes, Vishal, you want to?
प्रभु जी
Yes. बोलिए. Yes, you switch on your video, beta.
प्रभु जी can you please repeat?
Okay. So Paridhi said, yeah, she has noticed. Okay, thank you, Paridhi. Nitya and Sanskrit. I can repeat. I am repeating. I'll repeat this in Hindi. जब बच्चा छोटा होता है तो कभी कभी खेलते हुए गिर जाता है और बहुत जोर के रोता है. Then mother comes and pretend that she is beating to earth, and she says, oh, this earth, because of earth my son falls down, so I'll give a beating to earth. Then his son started laughing. Okay, my mother gave a beating, I am happy. It happened. Okay, this Paridhi said, yeah, she has seen this. Anybody else? Nobody else? Yes, Vishaka.
Prabhuji, I've not seen this, but I remembered one thing in this discussion. My father told me that reaction and reply looks the same, but reaction is when someone tells you something and you just say back to him, and reply is that you think what will you answer to him, and then you calmly say.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you for sharing the difference between reaction and reply. Yes, so yes, Paridhi has noticed, and Alekha also noticed this thing. Actually, Hitanshi and Hershey they did not have a younger sister, so you never seen any very younger boy. But like Alekha has a younger brother who is much younger to her, so she must have noticed when the Abhay started crying. The mother, how mother make him pacify. Yes, Avipta also said yes. So Paridhi also has a younger sister. That's why she has noticed.
प्रभु जी I am Nitya.
Okay, yes, you also have seen. So, but when the kid, now my next question, when the kid grows up, and when he grows up, and while after that, while playing, If he falls down, he doesn't cry because he understands it is because of his own mistake he has fallen down and he hurt himself. When the kid grows up, he doesn't cry because he knew it is because of his own mistake he hurt himself. Is it okay? The difference between a small kid and difference between a young grown-up kid. Because the younger kid thought because of earth I have fallen down, and but the elder kid understand, oh, this is because of my own mistake. So why to hit back the earth? It's okay. So similarly, while eating, sometimes we bite our tongue. Does it happen to anybody? ऐसा होता है कि किसी के साथ?
प्रभु जी मुझे होता है।
अच्छा,
प्रभु जी मेरा तो 3 दिन मेरा 3 दिन रेगुलरली हो रहा था, एक दिन 3-4 बार।
अच्छा, मेरा क्वेश्चन था, कभी कभी खाते खाते हमारा जीव हमारे दांत के नीचे आ जाता है, तो ऐसा कभी होता है क्या?
यस प्रभु जी मेरे साथ होता है।
ओके, तो सबके साथ होता है, तो क्या हम अपने आप को मारते हैं? नहीं, बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ माई ओन मिस्टेक। क्लियर? सिमिलरली, while walking on the road, sometime slip. Then do we hit earth? Sometime while playing, sometime while walking, we slip. Then do we hit earth?
नो प्रभु जी।
No, because we understand it is because of my mistake. So it's okay. Similarly, while walking, if something falls down on our, some noise is coming from somewhere. Piyush, आप mute करेंगे क्या? Okay, thank you. So, because we understand it is because of my mistake, so we do not hit back. Similarly, as a younger kid and an elder kid understand it is my mistake, so I do not hit back. Similarly in life, when some reaction comes, when some difficult time comes, but the mature person think it is because of my past karma, it is because of my past deed, so I should not hit back. But the small kid want to hit back, and he feel happy when mothers hits the earth. But the elder kid doesn't hit back earth because he understands.
प्रभु जी पर दीदी ऐसे ही करती है, हमेशा पीछे फिर से मार देती है।
हाँ बेटा, because ताली ना दोनों हाथों से बजती है ना, because we both need to grow up, ना? It's not from one end, it's from both ends. ठीक है? So slowly she will also understand, and you will also understand. So let me go ahead, beta. So as we grow up, we understand it is because of our own mistake we are getting suffering. And whenever there is some difficulty, we need to understand it is not because of other person. It is because of my own karma. I am getting some reaction. That's why we should not become angry. We should not feel like taking revenge. And if we follow this principle in our life, we will be very blissful. And an intelligent person can understand that it is because of my past karma. Like see, if one more thing, let me ask you. If it is in my karma, it is because I am supposed to get some suffering. And if I got those suffering, should I become happy or should I become sorrowful? Okay, let me ask you again question. Give a practical. Okay, so Nitya, if it is in your fortune, if it is in your bhagya, that you are supposed to get a beating of your elder sister today, and if you got it, you should become angry or you should be happy. If you should become angry, why? And happy, why? Okay, why beta happy?
हैप्पी कि वो कैसे भी कर मेरे वजह से ही हो रहा है, हमने कुछ किया होगा इसलिए कुछ हो रहा है, दीदी ने मारा होगा।
तो अभी आज से जब दीदी मारेंगी तो आप खुश होंगे?
वो अगर बेफालतू में मारेगी तो बेफालतू में भी तो अपनी मार रही थी, नोच रही थी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, let me ask somebody else also. Thank you, बेटा. So Hitanshi, so if Harshi start fighting with you and in your karma it is written that you are supposed to get a beating of Harshi and she hits you, then what will you do? Will you happy or you will be angry? Please, we could not understand. Please speak again.
I'll be happy because she, in the next year, when she hits me back,
You will be happy because
she'll hit me back some other day.
okay, because previously sometime past you may have hit her, so you are happy now she hit you. Okay, you note it down, beta. ठीक है? Now if any time Harshi will beat you, you will not fight her back and you will be happy because in past you may have hit her. Okay, you have noted it down now. Okay, thank you. Let me hear from Vanshika also. Yes, Vanshika. Let me Vanshika complete, then Hitashi I'll come to you. Yes, sir. Vanshika.
प्रभु जी, इसमें कजिन बेटा हिट्स मी, तो मैं भी उसको मारूंगा, वो मुझे बोलता है कि तुम्हारे कर्म में लिखा हुआ, मैं भी उसको मार के बोल रहा हूँ कि ये तुम्हारे कर्म में भी लिखा था, मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ अगर मैं भूल जाती हूँ।
What she is saying that I'll hit her back and I'll say because in your karma also did then, that's why I'm hitting you back. But how you know her karma? Thank you for true answer, beta. Yes. Yes, Hitachi, what you were saying? What was your answer? When you were speaking, please come to closer to your mic.
Tell her also not to hit me.
Acha, I'll tell her also, beta. Yes, yes. I am coming to Harshi also. Yes. So, Harshi, can you switch on your video also, beta? Okay. So, Medha and Sanskriti, Medha and Geet,
Yes, Prabhuji.
they are very gentle sisters. Yes, switch on your video, beta.
Yes, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, 1 second.
Yes. Hare Krishna Geet, beta. Do you fight sometime with Medha?
Yes.
Okay. And sometimes she hits you back? You can tell yes or no, whatever. Okay, so no need to say. He will not hit you. At least if you say yes, she will not hit you. Don't worry. So okay, so let me ask you. So if she hits you, then should you become happy or you should hit her back? My question to Geet: if Medha hits you because of any reason, maybe it is justified or maybe not justified. Maybe you have done something wrong and you may have not done something wrong, and she hits you and give you strong slap. Then what will you do? Will you happy or will you hit her back?
Answer.
They are both very gentle girls. See, Harshi and Hitachi, they're so sweet girls. They never fight. Okay. And thank you, beta. No problem. So, let me give you the principle. So, whatever reactions we are getting, it is because of our past karma. So, it may have happened that in previous life, you may be the younger and she may be elder. And the elder may be a younger and the younger may be elder. So like we see Ram and Lakshmana. Lord Rama was elder brother and Lakshman was younger. And Lakshman was sometimes very angry. Lord Rama asked me to do this, which I am not wanted to do. And Lord Rama asked me to do this. Then the next life, Lakshmana became an elder brother in the form of बलराम।
कृष्णा।
अरे लक्ष्मण और बलराम
प्रभु
बेटा।
जी, लक्ष्मण कृष्णा बना था।
नहीं,
बलराम बना था लक्ष्मण।
हाँ, तो लक्ष्मण became a Balram and Rama became a Lakshmana. Rama became a Krishna. ठीक है? So and now in this time Balram is elder brother and now Krishna is not able to ask him, you do this and do that. So it may happen in this life you are a younger and previous life she may be elder. So my one more point, ठीक है, one more, because in the previous you may have had a fight and in previous you may have hit her. So like if you have some reaction is supposed to come, or let me say if you have taken some money from your friend, okay, this is you can understand. If you have taken some money from your friend, if you have borrowed some money from your friend and you are able to pay back, so will you be happy or will you sad? So okay, write in the chat.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, I'll repeat, beta. Vishka, if you took some money from your friend, if you borrowed some money from your friend and now you are able to pay him back, so will you be happy or you will be sad?
I will be happy because I took money from him and he gave it properly and he did not like said no I can't give, like he gave it so I have to pay back for it.
Okay, so you will be happy. I hope
Yes.
everybody will be happy. Anybody will be, yes, Vanshika. Yeah, everybody will be happy. Anybody? So at least raise thumb if you are happy. You borrowed some money and you have paid back. Now you are free from what we said, loan. Now you are free from the debt. So you are happy. Okay. So similarly, the law of karma acts. You have some loan. You are supposed to get something. You are supposed to get some beating. Then now you got it. So you are free from that loan amount. So you should be happy or you should be sad. Is it clear? Like I'll tell you. In this life, you are supposed to get some suffering or some happiness. Okay. You are supposed to get X amount of suffering and Y amount of happiness. And that is fixed. Now, if you are suffering, you are getting. So means X amount is reducing now. Is it clear? Does it make sense? I don't know. It's becoming for elder. You're too young for it. Understand, I think. Vishaka, is it clear to you? Vishaka, can you switch on your video? Harshi, I'm not able to see you.
Yes, Prabhuji. I'm hearing.
Okay, thank you. Harshi, is it clear to you, beta? Okay, so you are supposed to get some suffering. Now, if Hitachi hits you, so your suffering, suppose quota is reduced. So you should be happy. Why you should hate her back? So my very, very earnest request, please do not fight. If please do not fight and help each other to study nicely, beta. Okay? Fighting will not help. Fighting is not good for her. So I heard that you fight very much. So it's fighting is not good, my dear. So we should not fight. Okay?
First she hit.
Okay, first she hits. Whoever hits, beta. But beta, it creates the karma. And if you get hitting, you should be happy. You should not hit her back. Okay? And Hitachi, you should not also. And Abhay is there. Abhay is there.
He hits and then I hit, not me. She only hits first.
Okay, whoever hits should not hit. Okay, okay. So today we have seen. Okay, let me. There's one more principle in that. Should I tell you that principle also? You want to hear? Okay. So let me ask you. If the other person is not supposed to get the suffering, the other person also has some quota of suffering and quota of happiness. You also have some quota of suffering and some quota of happiness. Is it clear? Everybody has fixed quota. Now, he hits you and your quota of suffering reduced. You are happy. But now you want to hit other person back. But in her fortune or his fortune, there is no suffering. So if you will hit and she is not supposed to get, will it work? No, because there is no quota and you will suffer rather than. Like people become very angry and they suffer, but other person is not supposed to get suffering. How much we wish that if in his fortune there is no suffering, nobody can make him suffer, rather than we only will suffer. So please do not fight, please do not fight, okay? And it doesn't matter who hits. Like I shared you the story of Prathu and Indra. Prathu was at no mistake, Indra was at mistake, but Brahma asked Prathu not to do sacrifice because Prathu can understand. So whoever will understand my teaching is intelligent person. And even after understanding, if you fight, so it means you are like Indra. So if you understand and you do not fight, so it means you are mature. Okay? So you prove that you are mature and you will not fight. Okay? So that's all for today's. And we will continue next session on Sunday. And if you want to have... If you want to have any particular topic, you can write in the chat box into my WhatsApp group. Then we will try to cover those topics also.
प्रभु जी में कौन फर्स्ट आया?
हाँ, क्विज में कौन फर्स्ट आया? Let me check.
प्रभु जी मैं इस बार का क्विज नहीं खेल पाई।
हाँ,
प्रभु जी पर दिन तक खुला हुआ है तो पोडियम कैसे देखेंगे?
क्विज अभी भी खुला हुआ है, मैं क्विज को बंद करके खोल सकता हूँ। आप अभी स्कोर देख लीजिए। आप मेधा और गीत और मेधा आप कर सकते हैं बेटा क्विज, अभी भी ओपन है।
प्रभु जी मैंने उसको क्लिक करा तो वो मुझे फेसबुक पे भेज रहा है, मैं वहाँ पे नहीं खेल पा रही।
हाँ, मैंने आपको एक लिंक और भेजा ना, काहूत का। चैट में एक काहूत का लिंक है बेटा, नीचे आप देखेंगे तो काहूत का एक लिंक है। मैं दोबारा से भेज दूंगा, नहीं तो ठीक है, आपको मैं दोबारा से भेज दूंगा। तो हमारे उसमें विनर है, एक सेकेंड, अभी तक का जो विनर है, ओके, सो संस्कृत ऐसे नित्या एंड हर्षी एंड हिताशी, आपने क्विज खेला क्या वो? तो आप आज खेल लेंगे, आज खेल लीजिएगा, ठीक है। एंड विशाखा आपने भी नहीं खेला शायद, विशाखा आपने खेला क्या क्विज?
प्रभु जी क्या आपने अभी लिंक भेजी है व्हाट्सएप पे?
मैंने कल ही भेजा था बेटा। ओके, मैं अभी देख लेता हूँ विनर कौन है।
प्रभु जी कोई एंड मत करिएगा वरना हम खेल नहीं पाएंगे।
हाँ, मैं एंड नहीं करूँगा बेटा, क्विज में एंड नहीं करूँगा, क्विज मैं इस वीक के एंड में एंड करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं फेसबुक पे भी डाला कुछ लोगों के लिए और लोगों के लिए भी, ठीक है। तो मैं रिजल्ट्स बता देता हूँ, अभी का जो रिजल्ट्स है उसके हिसाब से
प्रभु जी।
हाँ बेटा, so far 14 players played and Nitya is the topper, Alekhya is second, Vanshika as a third. Okay, thank you. So
प्रभु जी,
yes, बोलिए।
प्रभु जी क्या हम लोग वो कृष्णा वाला गेम खेल सकते हैं?
कृष्णा वाला गेम हम नेक्स्ट संडे खेलेंगे बेटा। आज मुझे एक और क्लास का प्ले प्रिपेयर करना है, तो मैं वो क्लास के लिए प्रिपेयर कर लेता हूँ, तो नेक्स्ट संडे वी विल प्ले बेटा, ठीक है। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी टुडे, ठीक है। चलिए, हरे कृष्णा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे बोल।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा महोदय, थैंक यू महोदय जी।
थैंक यू प्रभु जी।
I hope today's session everybody liked.
Yes प्रभु जी। Yes प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna. So please do not fight बेटा, ठीक है? And stay lovingly, caringly, because if you love and care, then they will also love you, care. Hare Krishna.